Hi friends, how are you? You are welcome on my YouTube channel Polytech World. I will show you how to repair a LED bulb at your home when it was defective. Take all information to watch my video up to last. Let me start. I have a LED bulb like this. I will open by removing the cover. To check this bulb, I have some tools here. Here you see the port, the soldering iron, one tester and one multimeter and solder, and all necessary tools here. Then first of all we take a supply source and fix this bulb to check. This bulb runs on DC supply, so we fix this multimeter on the DC supply on 200 volt, because this bulb operates on 80 to 150 volt. So we check with the multimeter leads. We put the red lead on the positive terminal and the black lead on the negative terminal. You see here 108 107 volts. It means the voltage is coming on the LED plate. Here are total 9 LED. We put the positive lead on the positive terminal and the negative on black lead on the LED one by one. You see the voltage on every LED, because all LED are in series, so voltage will be come on every terminal. You see these LED showing voltage on both terminal, but this LED not showing the voltage on right side. It means this LED is interrupted or defective from inside, because the left side voltage coming but right side not coming. You see on the multimeter. So we have to short this LED bulb, so voltage will bypass and will come on the next terminal or on the next LED, and the LED should glow by shorting this, because the voltage bypass and coming to the next LED, so these LEDs glow. The connection is okay. So it means this LED was defective, so we solder this LED and short by using soldering iron. So we have short this LED like this. Now we check again, and you see this LED bulb glow now, because that defective LED have short circuit and bypass, so other LED are glowing. Hence, like this, we have repaired this LED bulb. So you can also repair this LED bulb like this at your home before putting it in the dustbin. One time more, be again check. This bulb is okay now. So friend, you have seen this bulb repair. Uh, Please subscribe my channel by pushing this bell icon. Like and share this video to your friends. And thank you for watching.